Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Sophia on Demand. I'm in Lilongwe, Malawi. I forgot the sub-name. So today we are having two main activities. We are going to do a courtesy call FAO office somewhere here in Lilongwe. After that we are going to go to Kasungu, where we are going to spend the night, and afterward we are going to show you around the farm. So spend the day with me and my colleague as we are enjoying Malawi agriculture. Oh, I did not say my colleague disappeared. Yeah, I want to capture everything. It's true. Why is every day?
There's no sand. Because the water, no, the water, where is the water?
The camera.
Is it better?
Very good quality. Okay, I have the second day in Malawi.
In Namibia, wait. Don't be arrested with your baby.
Arrested with your baby.
That is very easy.
It's not safe for mine.
I want this one.
Everywhere is just maize. Who are these?
Just after learning the concept in Japan, and therefore there were some benefits that were seen then by implementing the simple pilot activities. So it was because of those achievements, those benefits, that convinced the governments of Malawi and the government of Japan to now come up with a program, a JICA finance program that we call the MASHEP.
Malawi, we are in Lilongwe at the Agricultural Communication Center. We're just meeting the director so that they can do some presentation on the agricultural activity, especially on the farmer field school. So join us as we are traveling from Lilongwe to Kasungu with my colleague. So guys, I hope you are enjoying. I'm in Malawi now, so what is that you want to see? What vlog do you want? I'm partnering with two people. During the weekend I'm going to do some video with them, but now as I'm going to Kasungu and all those other 4 districts, what do you want to see? Please comment down below so that I will give you exactly what you're asking for. Namibia in Malawi. Oh, hi. Fine, how are you? You can swipe here.
Yes, you can.
Oh, this is nice. Take away. Oh, these are nice fish.
Sophia, where are you now?
I'm ordering my food.
Oh, ordering. What are you ordering?
I'm ordering porridge, but here they call them sima. So,
Not Simaneka, Sima.
sima. How do you call it? Come to my blog. How do you call it? Sima. Sima.
Just a sima.
Sima.
NSI.
Yes.
Sima. Yeah.
You wanted to say Sima.
I'm ordering sima and fish. And what are you going to have? What are you going to have?
My rice person.
Wow! We should come to Namibia to eat beef. We have a lot of beef in Namibia. Yeah, we have so much beef. And I love it here. This look at meat. And that green thing is what? The green. That green. No, the green.
All the vegetables there for potato leaves.
Very rich in protein.
If I want to fish, porridge, and oh, so
Ulimawe di goro kwa Namibia? Huh? Kura poro koro. Poro koro. Mishima. And is it goat meat? Mutete. And is it goat or sheep?
Goat.
Oh, very nice. That goat. Traditional goat from Malawi. Very flavorful. No, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a documentary. What that? I work for National Geographic. I'm documenting lifestyle in Malawi, Lilongwe. Yeah. I'm waiting for my meat. Once I taste it, I can tell you about the flavor. Is it juicy? Is it flavorful? What is the other one? Juiciness. Palatable. Something that can tender. I want to yes.
just show this. This is mutete.
Yes. With salt. Malawi mutete.
Malawi mutete. Can you review?
Yeah.
How is the food?
When she's coming, I'm finishing.
Actually, it's a bit different from what I'm used to. But this is something new and I'm willing to try this actually. So the meat is just boiled in salt and water. And then we have porridge here. Here they call it fima, or sima, sorry, sima. Then we have something that is more like mutete. That's idea. So this is basically the meal we'll have today for lunch.
How much did you pay?
I didn't pay yet, but I assume it's going to be like 50,000 kwacha, which is equivalent to 50 rand.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm eating groundnuts.
Hello, hi everyone. We are in Malawi. Currently we are busy enjoying our lunch. And then from here we are going to proceed to a nearby village, or rather a town called Kasungu. So stay tuned.
We have to show the field. Just the field after the garden. That one.
Beautiful. Relax.
Now, just one. Then Greece. Yeah. Then you press here. Press one. Then it flash twice. Then it's off. No, you have to press. And then it will flash twice. Then it's off like this. Yeah. Kabulu. Is this river?
Where we passed already, this one is Kabul.
And there are mountains, water, everything nice here. The people are very friendly.
No, where we they're doing the medical open.
This is how the second room looks like. This is a normal room. Or maybe I'll vlog tomorrow. Love the bathroom. Looking like that, yeah.